Well, good afternoon, grade 9s. Mr. Thompson here. I thought I'd try a little activity. It's on page 293 of the textbook. It's on electroplating. It's not an actual lab in there, but they do show how it's done. So what I did here was I took some steel wool and buffed up a copper electrode. And I also buffed up a nice Canadian quarter, 2007. Okay. I mixed up some copper 2 sulfate solution. Right. So out of the little container, I put in some water. And now what I'll do is I'll turn it on. So what I need to do is the metal that's going to do the plating is going to be attached to the positive electrode of the power supply. Okay, I'll set that in there, try and stand it up as much as possible. And then this is going to be attached to the negative electrode. So the negative electrode is what is actually going to be plated. Okay, whatever metal is attached there, and I attach this quarter. So I'll dunk it in there and see if it will end up coating it at all. I'll give it a few seconds maybe. I don't really see too much activity in there, and maybe let's take a look and see how it's coming along. Okay. Already it's starting to get a little tinge, okay, of copper. Leave it in there for another little bit longer. Now I have it set at only about 4.5 volts, but if I do turn it up a little bit, it might coat it a little bit more quickly. Okay. I'll turn it up to maybe 6. Now I don't want to get it too close to the copper electrode. As you can imagine, the copper ions are moving towards the negative terminal of the power supply, which is connected to this quarter. And that's how the plating occurs. The electrons come down, the copper ions attach and fuse to make neutral copper atoms. Okay, I'll give it a whirl for a little bit longer and then I'll show you the final result, okay? Thank you.